Hey, grade 6. How are you? Good? We were speaking previously about circulation, right? We know the circulatory system. We know more about the heart. We know about the chambers of the heart. We know about the journey of the blood, right? And finally, we know about the pulses and the pulse rate. Okay, today grade 6, we are going to continue in our body. We are going to speak today about excretion. About what? Excretion. So let's know more about this word. As your body digests food and uses energy, it produces waste. We use food and digest it, and we use energy, right? And also we produce waste. If we didn't get rid of this waste, our body would poison itself. You must get rid of this waste or your body would poison itself. You know the poison. Poisons, grade 6, are things that harm our body. Okay? This is called excretion, which is getting rid of waste. Excretion. The excretory system. The excretory system, the kidneys, bladder, and other organs that process and excrete waste from the body. All the organs that excrete waste from the body are included in the excretory system. And the job of the excretory system is getting rid of waste. Is what? Getting rid of waste. The excretory system, grade 6, includes the skin. You can look to the picture. The skin, lungs, the liver, the kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Again, skin, lungs, liver, kidneys, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Excretion processes. I have 3 excretion processes. They are exhalation, urination, perspiration. They are what? Exhalation, urination, perspiration. Let's know about each one of them in details. The first one, exhalation. The air you breathe out from your lungs contains carbon dioxide and water. We breathe, right, grade 6? When we breathe, we take the air. This air contains oxygen and other gases. We need what from the air? We need just the oxygen. So the air enters to our lungs. The lungs takes the oxygen and it doesn't want the carbon dioxide and other gases. So when we breathe out from your lungs, we take out the carbon dioxide and water. And these are considered to be wastes. They are what? Wastes. So through exhalation, we get rid of these wastes, which are carbon dioxide and water. Okay? And these are produced when your body releases energy from food. Okay, this about the first one, exhalation. About urination. Now focus with me in this urination. It is very nice. You will love it. Especially Muhammad. The liver. You know the liver? It is down in the picture of the liver. The liver is the biggest organ in your body. So the biggest organ in our body is what? The liver. This liver makes, stores, and processes chemicals your body needs. The liver makes, stores, and processes chemicals our body needs. One of the jobs of this liver is to make waste protein less poisonous. We need protein grade 6, but sometimes we have a lot of proteins inside our body and we don't need it. So the job of the liver is to make waste protein less poisonous. When we had a lot of protein, sometimes it is poisonous to ourselves. Okay? So this liver make waste protein less poisonous. Protein is a very important part of a balanced diet. We know that it's a very important part of a balanced diet. But you must be able to get rid of protein you don't need. You must be able to get rid of protein you don't need. This extra protein, the protein that you don't need, could be dangerous for your body. It might harm you. It might cause you some diseases, so that it could be dangerous for your body. The liver changes the waste protein into urea. It changes it into what? Urea. You can look down in the picture. Excess protein from food. It excess where? To the liver. The liver changes it into urea. Urea travels in the blood to the kidneys. Travels in the blood with the blood. It travels where? To the kidneys. And from the kidney, it goes into the urine. And we know the urine. This urea travels in the blood from the liver to the kidney. The blood takes it from where? From the liver to the kidneys. And from the kidney, it goes into the urine. As your blood circulates around your body, it passes through your kidneys, right? When the body circulates around your body, do you remember circulation? When the blood circulates around your body, it passes through your kidneys. What are kidneys? Kidneys are filters that clean the blood. It cleans the blood and gets rid of the water that your body doesn't need. Cleans the blood and gets rid of the water that your body doesn't need. So it filters, they are filters that clean the blood and get rid of the water that your body doesn't need. The waste water, which has lots of substances dissolved in it, is called urine. So urine or waste water has a lot of substances dissolved in it. They are dissolved in it, okay? Urine drains from the kidneys into your bladder. Then the urine travels from the kidney to the bladder, okay? As you see here in the picture, blood from body enters kidney, okay? Then the kidney filters it. Then the filtered blood returns to body. And the waste, the kidney filters it. It takes the waste, give it to the bladder, and the filtered blood returns to body, okay? As I said, urine drains from the kidneys into your bladder. What is bladder? Bladder is a stretchy bag that stores the urine until you are able to go to the toilet. So the urine stores where? It stores inside this bladder. So the job of the bladder is to store the urine until you are able to go to the toilet. So now we know about exhalation and urination. Let's know about perspiration. Sweat grade 6 is another way your body has of getting rid of waste through the pores, microscopic holes of your skin. So in grade 6, in our skin, we have small holes, microscopic holes. You cannot see with your eye. You need microscope. Small holes, through it, the sweat get out. And the sweat is another way your body has of getting rid of waste. The sweat contains urea and waste salts. The sweat contains what? Urea and waste salts. Excretion or egestion. When you go to the toilet, you might urinate or defecate. Urinate is the liquid waste and defecate is the solid waste. Okay? We know about urination. Let's know about this defecate, solid waste. The solid waste is made of bacteria and undigested food that has passed through your digestive system. Bacteria and undigested food that has passed through your digestive system. Although the bacteria grade 6 lived inside our bodies and we ate the food, they never became part of your body. They never became part of your body. The bacteria never became part of your body. So scientists do not call this excretion. They do not call it excretion. They call it what? They call it egestion. Egestion is getting rid of unwanted materials that have never been part of the body. Egestion is getting rid of unwanted materials that have never been part of the body. Example for egestion, vomiting. Vomiting is example for egestion. We vomit some food before even it enters or our body use it. Okay, our body digests it and use it. We vomit it. So vomiting is another example of egestion. And that's it, grade 6, about our lesson today, which speaks about excretion. We know excretion, we know excretory system, we know about the excretion processes, which are exhalation, urination, and perspiration. And we know the egestion. You just have homework in your workbook, page 16, and in your pupil's book, page 35. Good luck, grade 6. If you have any question, you can just message me in the system. You will find a message up. You can message me. Good luck, grade 6.